Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the Spotify app, open it, and tap the gear icon to reach settings. Once done, tap Playback and then Equalizer. Spotify opens the EQ control panel. Make sure you're using the headphones or speakers you normally use, because Equalizer changes sound differently across devices. You can immediately pick a preset to hear a big change or prepare to tweak further. This first step gets you into the controls, so you can hear and adjust where the music needs it. Now choose a preset like bass boost, treble, vocal boost, or flat to establish a bass line. Once you have that, play a familiar track and listen carefully. Small slider moves make the biggest difference, so adjust in 1-3 dB increments rather than huge jumps. If Spotify shows sliders, target low end for bass or high end for clarity, and use mid adjustments to bring vocals forward. Make sure to toggle between presets while the song plays to hear the differences immediately. When you're happy, exit the EQ screen. Spotify applies changes automatically so you can continue listening. If the equalizer is grayed out or not working, make sure your app is updated, reconnect or swap headphones, and force quit then reopen Spotify. This resolves most temporary issues. Also check for conflicts. iOS Music EQ or Active AirPlay/CarPlay sessions can override Spotify's EQ settings, so disable those if needed. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.